Wala pong mic.
Okay. Ayun, okay na. So yan, last time we tackled about the simplifying of rational algebraic expression, wherein kailangan mong i-factor muna siya before ka mag-cancel out. Okay? So you can watch the previous videos before watching this kung hindi mo nasundan si simplifying. So pwede mo namang balikan. Okay? So but now, this is multiplication of rational algebraic expression. So in multiplication of rational algebraic expression, think of a way na you can simplify it first before ka multiply. Kasi ano mas madali na i-multiply? Okay? Yung mas mataas or yung mas mababa? Anong mas madaling i-multiply? Yung mas malaki or yung mas maliit na numbers?
Mas maliit po.
Mas maliit. Kaya, simplify muna natin. Yes? So, di ba nag-fraction na rin tayo before? So, we have, for example, we have 4x all over 5y multiplied to 20y all over 16x. Ayan. So, we have here 4x all over 5y times 20y all over 16x. So, paano ba natin i-multiply ito? So, paano ba tayo nag-multiply kapag meron tayong, for example, 1/2 times 2/3? Kunyari ganyan. So, wala tayong variables. So, kung natin pansinin yung variables. Di ba? Ang ginagawa muna natin is to simplify it first. 2 and 2 is divisible by 2. Kaya, cancel out 1, 1 na lang. Di ba? So, 1 times 1 is equal to 1. So, pag ganun lahat. 1 times 3 is equal to 3 or 1/3. Or, pwede rin naman na gawin mo ito. Pero nga, yun nga lang, maglo-lowest term ka pa ulit. So, we have 1/2 times 2/3. 1 times 2 is 2 all over. 2 times 3 is 6. Or, kapag sinimplify mo, 1/3 din lang. So, nagpakahirap ka pa. Diba? Kalaki pa yung naging value mo. Paano na lang kung nagkamali ka ng product? So, simplify the terms first. So, try natin i-pasok dito yon. So, we have a rational algebraic expression, 4x 5y times 20y 16x. So, ang gagawin natin dito, kapag magkaparehas sila ng variable, pwede mo siyang i-lowest term. Okay? So, ilo-lowest term natin siya. 4 and 16. So, 16 and 4 is divisible by 4. Diba? 4, 8, 12, 16. Therefore, 4. So, pwede natin siyang i-lowest term. Magiging 4 divided by 4 is 1. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Lumate na ba yung numbers? Okay. How about 20y and 5y? Pwede ba natin siyang i-lowest term?
Opo.
No? Or yes?
Yes po.
Pwede. Kasi nga 20 and 5 is divisible by 5. Tama? Kasi pag nag-skip count ka, 5, 10, 15, 20. So that's it. Diba? So 20 divided by 5 is? So 20 divided by 5, that would be?
5 po.
5, 10, 15, 20. Diba? So, 5 times 4 is 20. Therefore, 20 divided by 5 is 4. And then 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 is 1. Tama? Ngayon, pwede ka na mag-multiply. So, 1x or x, sulat lang natin para makita nyo. All over 1y, which is y, times 4y, all over 4x. So, x times 4y. That would be
4xy po.
4xy. Tama. All over
Y.
this one,
4
4
4xy din lang. Or equal lang siya sa pwede pa na ba natin i-lowest term?
Yes.
Yes, di ba? Pwede ba natin siya i-lowest term kasi magkaparehas sila? Pag magkaparehas, magiging 1. Tama? Ayan. So for example, 5 all over 5. Ano ba equal niyan? Di ba 1? So, basta magkaparehas ang numerator and denominator, that would be equal to 1. Kaya magiging, ang sagot lang natin dito is 1. Okay? So this is the multiplication na. Or this is the product na, I should say. So ito na yung product natin. 1. Nakuha?
Opo.
So let's try to have another example para mas malinaw. So first step is to simplify. Then second step is to multiply. And then third step is to lowest term. Ganun lang naman. Let's try this one. Paano naman pag puro variable? M squared of n squared all over. So, in multiplication of rational algebraic expression, you should know how to factor and simplify. Ayan. So, we have here m squared minus n squared all over mn times mn all over m plus n. So kapag magkaparehas sila, pwede mo na lang gawing 1, tama? Dahil magkaparehas lang sila. Therefore, cancel this, magiging 1, 1. Basta magkaparehas, you can write it as 1. Ito, paano natin ito may multiply or masisimplify, I should say. So mn, tsaka si m squared, n squared. So ito ba may factor?
Ano po?
May factor ba to? So si m squared minus n squared, may factor ba yan? Is it a yes or a no?
Yes.
Nanghula na lang. So di ba? Kapag rule natin negative ito, we have positive negative, tama? Then perfect square, m squared, n squared, kahit anong squared dyan, basta squared, that would be like this. So, we have m, n, tama? Kasi m times m squared, n times n squared, positive, negative, pag basta magkapares na yan. This is the sum and difference, tama? So, ito na yung factor niya. So, makakancel na ba to? Susulat na natin. M plus n. Tapos, m minus n. So, therefore, may kaparehas siya. Tama? So, i-cancel na natin. Magiging 1 na lang ito. So, ano na lang natira? We have m minus n all over 1. Tama? Times 1 all over 1. Therefore, our final answer now would be m minus n times 1, m minus n. Tama? 1 times 1 is 1. Therefore, the final answer would be m minus n. Nakuha?
Opo.
So, i-lowest term muna. Simplify before multiplying para hindi mahirapan sa pagmumultiplication. That's it. So, kasi pag minag-multiply mo to, mas mahirapan tayong mag-factor kasi isi-simplify pa rin naman natin siya. Okay? So, the final answer would be m minus n. Basta, i-factor mo muna or simplify mo muna before proceeding to multiplication. Okay, Anat, kinopcopy niyo ba?
Opo.
Opo.
So I'll give you 30 seconds to copy it. But then it's already recorded, kaya there's no need to, ano. Pero, sige. Tell me when you're done so that we can proceed to another example. Okay na?
Opo.
Chloe? Okay. Shane, I think you're not writing. Nakatutok ka lang sa ano. Naiintindihan pa ba? Okay, so let's try to have another example. Ito. Medyo mahirap siya. We have 11A all over 57A times 42B squared all over 55B cubed. Ayan. So ito, look at this example. 11A all over 57A times 52B squared over 55B squared. So medyo mahirap ba? Mahirap? So, pwede kang mag-simplify dito, pag ganon, cross, di ba? And pwede ka rin mag-simplify sa kanya. So, this term, ito muna, si 11A all over 57A. Anong pwede mong tanggalin? Ano yung pwede magkapares sa kanila? Pares ba sila ng variable? Yes, tama? Pares sila ng variable, tanggalin mo na si A. Ano nang natira? 11 all over 57. Dito naman sa kabila, ilang B ang meron tayo dito?
B squared.
B squared, dalawa. Dito sa baba, 3. That's B cube. So ilan na lang matitira?
Isang B po.
Isang B. Therefore, tanggalin mo na to. Tanggalin mo to, matitira na lang is si B na isa sa baba. Okay? So 42 sa taas, 55 sa baba. Pwede ka na mag-multiply? So you should have your own scientific calculators. So 11 times 42. So 11 times 42. That would be 462. All over 57 times 55. That would be 3,135B. So nasa baba pa rin yung variable natin. Okay? And what would be its lowest term? So, sa paglo-lowest term ng fraction, pipindutin lang itong ABC na ito. Yung ganito na sign. A, B over C. Ganyan yung nakikita sa calculator natin. So, para ma-lowest term siya. Ang lalabas naman sa screen mo, dito, is yung paganyan. So, let's try. So, input 462 over, so ganun yung lalabas. Ganito yung lalabas. Oops, di makita. Ayan. Yung ganon, yung parang pag ganon na L, baliktad. All over 3, 1, 3, 5. Wag mo isusulat yung letter or yung variable kasi hindi mo siya pwedeng isulat. So lowest term would be 14 all over 95. So i-click lang yung equal sign. Yan yung lalabas. That would be 14 all over 95. 14 all over 95. Then copy the variable, magiging B. So this would be our final answer na kasi wala naman na siyang lowest term. Yan na yung binigay ni calculator. So yun yung pinaka-lowest term niya. Gets? So you should have your own scientific calculator, hindi lang yung cellphone. Ito, akasya lang ito. Mura lang ito. Mga nasa 250 pesos lang. Mahal yung Casio. Kahit yung mga simpleng calculators lang. Gets lang multiplication? Simplify before multiplying. And so, do you have your module, your worksheets with you na?
Opo.
Meron na? So,
Hindi
pick.
pa po.
I-send ko pa lang sa'yo, Chloe, later.
Okay.
Okay. Ito ba tawag? Sa akin nata. Okay na? Gets na?
Oo.
So, do you need still more, do you need more examples pa?
Isa pa po.
Okay. So, let's try another one. Ito. So, 15x cube all over 28y cube times 25y squared. 25y squared. 25x cube. Ayan. So, little bit difficult. So, let's see. 15x cube all over 28y cube times 25y squared all over 25x cube. So, dito ba may pwedeng ilawis term? Dito, may pwedeng ilawis term? Wala, di ba? Dito, wala. Tama? Dito, meron pa pwedeng ilawis term dito? See?
Yung 25.
25. No. Yes, pwede. Kasi nga, 25, all over 25 would become 1. Tama?
1.
Okay, so 25 canceled out, 1, 1. Okay, how about the variables? Dito, pag ganon, meron ba pwede cancel?
X cube po.
X cube. Cancel mo na siya, mawawalan na rin si X cube dito. How about dito?
Dalawang Y.
Dalawang Y. Pwede mo tanggalin ito, matitira na lang isang Y. Therefore, ang natira na lang is 15 all over 28y times 1 all over 1. Simple na? Simple na? Nasimplihan na ba? 1 over 1 na yan. Therefore, the answer would be 15 all over 28y. Ayan na yung sagot. Gets na? Shane? Do you still more have questions? Ano daw? Meron ka pang questions? May question pa? So, sa pag-simplify, pwedeng pa ganito, basta same sila ng variable. Pwede rin pataas. Okay? Pwedeng pa ganon, pwedeng pa taas din. So, hindi ka lang pwedeng mag-simplify ng pa ganon. Okay? Pa vertical. I mean, pa horizontal. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-simplify ng pa horizontal. Pwedeng vertical. Vertical, tama ba? Pwede rin na diagonal. Basta hindi ka lang pwede na pa ganon. Okay? So, I hope you understand the lesson, multiplication of rational algebraic expression. So that ends our discussion. Okay. So, goodbye for now. Don't pass your worksheets yet. Kasi next week pa natin matatapos 'yon. So next week, I will discuss the division, addition, and subtraction. So madali lang naman na siya. That's why. Okay? So, goodbye for now and have a nice day. Bye.
Bye po.
Bye po.